As a self-registered teacher on FOSSweb, you can manage students in any class that you've created with individual student accounts. Scroll down to your My Class Pages section and find a class you've created with individual students. You will see a Manage Students option available. Click this to add, edit, and delete individual student accounts from your class. This page is easily printable for your records. Each student record has a first name, a last name, an email address, and a password. Please note that this does not have to be actual student data. You can use student 1, student 2, or A. Johnson, B. Stark. Additionally, the email address does not have to be a valid working email address. If your school or district assigns a district email address to each student, we recommend you use that here. If your district does not assign an email address to students, you should create a username in the format of an email address, preferably using your district domain. Passwords must contain 8 or more characters, but should be a good balance between something that's easy for students to remember, but also difficult enough that students will not be able to guess each other's passwords. To create a student, simply enter their name, and email address, and create a password. Once complete, click the green Save button. If a student is successfully saved, you will get a new line to enter the next student information successfully. If you enter a student whose username is already taken, either within your school or in a different school, you will receive an error. If this error comes up and you're using your own district domain, check with another teacher who may not have released that student from a previous class. To edit students, click in any of the editable fields to change the data. And then click the Save button. Editable fields include first name, last name, and password. At any time, you can delete a student by clicking the red X at the far right of their name.